reading 5 Black Cats. 5 black cats on a dark, misty night sit in a row beneath the moonlight. Meow, 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 meow. 5 black cats on a shadowy street, looking around. Who will they meet? Who? 5 black cats now out on their prowls, stop in their tracks at the hoot of an owl. Hoo-hoo. 5 black cats softly slinking around suddenly hear a strange ghostly sound. 5 black cats bravely swishing their tails follow the sounds of a low, eerie wails. 5 black cats, to their great surprise, are watched by jack-o'-lantern eyes. 5 black cats spot a tiny white mouse scurrying into an old empty house. 5 black cats hear the little mouse squeak, then nudge open the door with a loud creak. 5 black cats creep through the empty rooms. At the top of the stairs, a dark shadow looms. 5 black cats get a bit of a scare as the flip-flapping wings of a bat fill the air. All of a sudden, someone turns on the light. What a surprise! It's the ghost party night! Woohoo! Alright, we're going to read this one too because it's also kind of about a Halloween party. This one's called Carl's Halloween. Ding dong, trick or treat. I have to go help Grandma for a little while. You can hand out candy to any children who come. Are you sure about this, Carl? Let's get you dressed up to go out. Here, baby, here's your hat. Come on, let's leave the candy on the porch for the kids. Let's go, Carl. Knock, knock. Trick or treat. It's spooky times. Halloween is in the air. I am so sorry, but I wasn't able to get any candy this year. Thank you, Carl. Now I will be able to make the trick-or-treaters happy. It's 7:15. Look at this party. There's snacks, Plug the Pumpkin, and lots of other games for the kids to play. What will Carl do first? Looks like he's gonna do the mummy wrap game. Oops, Carl, you shook off the mummy wrap. Time to play bobbing for apples. Time to play donuts on a string. 7:45, it's getting late. Bye-bye. Happy Halloween. Come on, time to put the hat away and the jewelry too. Come on, Carl, let's put the Halloween chair and the Halloween bowl back inside.